some things are so great you even save the box after you put it in your system. And I have a little thing where I'm collecting boxes, but this is one of those few boxes you really enjoyed it so much that it actually you've kept. Now, I don't get paid to do any of these reviews or anything. I give you my fully honest opinion for price and stuff and everything. And I've got to say, for price, performance, everything, for a 360 radiator cooler, it's good. I think that this is going for like $120 now. And I mean, for a 360 radiator, that's unheard of. If you can sacrifice a little bit of the looks, like no LED, no RGB stuff, it's performance-wise, it looks like a good, like the block itself supports far more CPUs. Like it supports Threadripper, it supports all these upgrades. And looking at it from the standpoint of upgradability, you can pretty much just pop a different motherboard and processor in there, and it works great. It's got Threadripper, i9, all those different supports. And I mean, looking at it though, it works well. Like, I mean, it keeps everything frosty. And I mean, obviously for the 360 radiator on an 1800X is overkill, but it keeps my overclocked processor pretty much like frosty 50 degrees Celsius all times, which is awesome. And I mean, it's really like light. It's not, it doesn't have any issues. I haven't had any issues yet. I'll let you know if I do. That'll be in the comments. So whenever I have an issue, I'll put it in the comments so you guys can know. Because sometimes I've only had it for, I don't know, maybe a couple weeks, but I like it a lot. Now sometimes with AIOs they decide, oof, I'm not going to work, and they, ditch on you. And then in that case, I'll put something down in the comments. I'll tag it at the top. And you'll know what my opinion is, maybe, I don't know, whenever I have an issue. And if I don't have anything down there, then I probably haven't had an issue since. And for the good bit, it's really quiet. I don't notice any sound. If I have the case open, I put my ear to it, I might notice a little bit of sound. But I mean, it was really easy to install. I mean, if you know what you're doing and you're putting, an AIO on AIO, it's really easy to install. The overall review, I gave it a 10. It was really, like, the only thing I changed, and it came with all the fans, everything, the only thing I would change about it was maybe put some LED or RGB on it. But for what you get and everything, for being an accurate representation of what you get, I feel like you get exactly what you get. Like exactly what you look at online it's a really, really nice. It's a Ryzen support and everything, and it's got a 5-year warranty on it. Like, that's literally about as good as you get in the system. And the other thing is, it's all got standard fittings on the radiator. So the the built-in pump and everything, you can just take that off and then use the radiator as a radiator for future down the road. And I don't even know why I do that for like the 5-year warranty, because that does void the warranty. But still, you're looking at a radiator, and that's how much a radiator, some normal radiators cost, which is kind of crazy. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. This is a really good thing. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. If you're interested in, of course, you're watching this because you want to get a build or something, I have a Discord down in the description, which a bunch of people that can help you if you need anything like that, or picking out parts or any assistance with that. And these are people that much more intelligent and much more know-how than I do. So check it out down there. Of course, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, if you didn't, dislike, and I hope to see you guys around as well. A lot of this kind of stuff on my channel, and see you guys later. Adios.